Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax in Louisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a fresh out of shrink wrap 2024 year model Sea Ray Sundancer 320. So starting off up here in the bow, room for 3 seating across the front. The bow seating is a little bit shallower than the traditional open bow because they use that to get that headroom up in the cabin, which we'll get to here in a little bit. So mount for your bow table over here. There is an additional stereo remote control up in the front, as well as controls for your windlass and a bow safety rail. So finished out with some sea deck, great seating. Coming back in towards the cockpit. Nice storage here on the side, flip-flop backrest on your companion seat. Moving over here to the helm, twin Simrad screens, Fusion stereo head unit. This boat was ordered with the upgraded sound system, so does have the additional subwoofer and amplifiers. It is a joystick controlled boat, so very easy to dock. That's one thing a lot of newer boaters get a little bit concerned about with twin engine or bigger boats. It's harder to dock with a joystick. It makes it very, very easy. And this also has dynamic running surface, so your trim tabs are done automatically for you, which is fantastic. All right, so moving back to the galley area, does have an isotherm refrigerator, sink, and electric Kenyon grill. Nice wraparound seating back here. There is a base for a table. Table will come with 2 different poles for it. One will be table height, the other will drop this down to seat height with a cushion that goes on it. Sliding backrest, that way you can make this one big lounge area, and with the addition of that corner cushion in, makes a really big sun pad back here. This also has a submersible swim platform on the back. So this can drop down to several feet underneath the surface of the water, make it real easy for dogs to get on board, kids to swim. You can drop it down to water level. Done really well. And the control for the stern shade will be here. So this does have the electric stern shade. This will go back to really almost to the very end of the swim platform. So adds a lot of additional shade. And then hard top with opening section in the middle. So if you want to get some sun, you can open up the hard top or close it and get the cockpit AC going to keep it nice and cool here in the cockpit. So down the cabin of the boat, V-berth bed up here. This cushion removes. Additional pole can go under here, raise this up to table height. That way we've got a nice dinette area down here. There is a double berth underneath the main floor in the midship cabin. An additional isotherm refrigerator here, as well as a microwave, and then the head is over here also, which is a wet head that doubles as a shower. Good headroom down here. I'm 6'2". I can stand up, so done really well. Nice neutral colors and extra large windows on the side, allowing a lot of natural light. Done really well. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you've got any questions about this or any other boats you see online, by all means, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you soon.